to the channel. Welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I think it's Vlogmas day 10, I'm not sure, but it'll be on the screen. So in today's vlog, I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going on a dinner date with some friends, so it's gonna be like a girls' night out. This is my last girls' night out. Let's get together, chill, kick it before I leave the island. So yes, that's what I'm getting ready for. I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready with me. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed as yet, check it out, see if this is something you like, see if the vibes is something you like. If it is, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. So guys, this is my first time using Maybelline Fit, and I'm not sure if this is my right color, but this is 34. So I normally use Mary Kay product. That's the only foundation I've ever used in my entire makeup lifetime. Okay, Mary Kay, and I love it. I love the coverage, I love the look. It looks so natural. It looks just, I love it. So, but I don't have anything to compare with it, so let me try this. And my friend YouTuber Cara J Live, Cara J, she recommended that I try Maybelline or NYX. So let's see if I could do what I do. I don't even know, do you use sponge with this, or you could just use, ooh, can you use a brush? Oh my gosh, look, that is way too much. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm gonna use my brush. Oh my god, I'm not used to this. I am not used to this. This looks so weird. Let's go with the flow. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. So maybe this color is too bright. You think? This color is too light for me. I'm looking like a Michael Jackson. But let's see, let's see. I think it could blend out. It could blend out. It could blend out. So that was definitely a lot, because just that little dab all over my face, and it looks like it's covering my entire face already. Like, what? Okay, I don't want these girls to look at me like I'm crazy. So you guys, tell me if this is too light for my complexion. Oh, don't you dare put anything else on that brush, girl. You crazy? You crazy? I'm in my bathroom, guys. I'm in my bathroom. My hand's tired. My Mary Kay would have blended in by now. This is a lot of blending. Like, oh my god. Okay. Okay, so there's one pro already for the Maybelline. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. Like, literally, you don't need a lot. Wow, that is crazy. So, is it blend in? Let's do a little on the neck. Oh my god, that's not a little. That is not a little. That is not a little. My arms hurt. And I was talking to Cara J. Desmeon, if you're watching this video, definitely, I told you, like, I'm aggressive at times. And I feel like I'm aggressive. I feel like I'm just doing this. I feel like I'm going crazy. when you should maybe like gentle motion. Is that what you need to do? Because I'm doing this. I don't know, that's just my nature. I think it's blind. I think it's blind. Y'all think they gonna laugh at me tonight? Don't think they gonna laugh at me tonight. I gonna ask their opinion, see if they lie. I think I could get away with it. That's why I'm continuing. Like honestly, that's why I'm continuing. I feel like I could get away with it. So that's the foundation. And I am pre-gaming, so you know I'm listening to some songs. You know, you gotta get in the mood, you gotta get in the vibe. So that's what I was doing. I was listening to some Megan Thee Stallion. So I'm gonna play my music and do the rest of my makeup. I'll talk to you guys if I have anything to say. This is the only thing I had, Maybelline. So this is a blush. This doesn't really do anything for me anyways. It just, I guess it's not a color for me. It feels good. Okay, I'm not doing any concealer or anything like that. I'm going to do a little contouring. I don't even know if you could call it contour, but I'm gonna go in with this same color. I'm just adding some color back to my face so I don't look bland. Okay, and that is basically it. Not doing anything crazy. I have this dark lipstick. I love this. What is this? Oh, Magic Collection. Magic Collection. I love this color. Nice rich maroon. Okay, I think that's my makeup, guys. I'm going to figure out what I'm wearing to the actual dinner. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing and then I'll show you guys. BRB. This is what I think I'm wearing. I don't have much of a choice. Most of my clothes already shipped. So I think it's cute. I'm debating on what shoes I'm gonna wear, if I'm wearing like a strappy heels or this high boots type. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll figure it out, and that's the next clip that you'll see. Lucky, that is not a scratching post. If you guys see my suitcase, no, let me show you. When you have cats, okay, she think that's a scratching post. Anyways, I'm gonna finish getting dressed. It's coming together. This is my first time wearing this top. I think it's cute. My mom gave me this top. Believe it or not. My mom gave me this top. So, thank you, Mom. Let me finish getting dressed. Okay, guys. I think that's it. I am ready. I already put this on. I'm just touching it up. But I think I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. That would look better with this outfit. So let me show you a full body. Okay, this is the shoes that I end up wearing, choosing. Yeah, just has a little lift. It's not really a heel, but I think that's it. Can't see my shoe. No, my accessories, I don't know. I just bought these earrings, so I'm excited to wear it. But I don't know if my accessories is too much for this outfit. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, hopefully. So I'll see you guys when I'm with everyone else. Oh, I was supposed to ask you which earring I'm supposed to wear. You see I have on two different ones. I have the next set in my bag because I was supposed to say I really hope, but then it wouldn't look like a... No, it doesn't look like a design.
No.
Which
That's
one?
crazy. So much milk in my coffee.
I like that one. This one, right? Yeah, I was feeling that, but because I just got this, I was excited.